2560 BC. I'm in a small room right now, and just outside that door, the Great Pyramid is being built. I'm gonna show you everything. This is where I've been sleeping. Mud brick walls, a reed mat, tea. This is exactly how the workers here actually lived. Wrapping up against the sun pack, already warm, and it's barely morning. Let's go see this pyramid. Hundreds of people, all heading the same way, toward the pyramid. This whole village exists for one reason, to build that pyramid. There it is, that's the actual beginning. 2 layers of stone, that's it. You can hear it before you see it. Chanting, ropes, stones scraping against sand. This block, already taller than my waist, 481 feet tall when finished. Right now, maybe 3 feet. What are you doing exactly?
He's checking it's perfectly flat before the next layer goes on.
It's been a few weeks now. Walking the edge of a 13-acre base Pelvitz, already chest high. I'm following this crew back to where these blocks actually come from. Wooden wedges, soaked with water, the wood swells hide, splits the stone clean along this line. And there it goes, onto the sledge. This exact block, heading to the pyramid right now. We're back. And look at that, even in that short time, this thing has grown. They've started a ramp. As the pyramid grows time, this grows right with it. Why are you here? Did someone force you?
My village sends us in rotation. It's an honor, he says.
I'm going up. Already I can see the village, the quarry, the Nile. This is the active edge. Today, this is as tall as it gets. Tomorrow, and taller. Heading down, almost midday. Let's see how they're feeding all these people. 10,000 loaves of bread. 1,000 gallons of beer. Every single day. He's tracking everything, bread, beer, every crew. Project management, 2560 BC. All right, Nide, break's over. Let's get back out there. This tool keeps the whole thing level. A wooden frame, a hanging line. That's the secret. It's been almost a year now. Look at that A. Even from here, you can see how much taller it's gotten. The ramp's grown with it. It keeps extending upward as the pyramid does. Inch by inch, packing material underneath each time. Slow. It works. 200 men. 1 stone. The drummer keeps everyone pulling in exact rhythm. Second year now. Look at how much higher it's gotten from here. He's the chief architect. Knotted ropes, wooden squares, keeping every angle exact as it climbs higher. They're letting me inside, into the passages that will be sealed forever once the king is buried here. This will be the grand gallery. Each layer steps inward all the way up, structural and beautiful on purpose. This is the king's chamber. Solid granite, walls, floor, ceiling. Each ceiling block weighs 50 to 80 tons. This granite was shipped 500 miles down the Nile from Aswan, just for the burial chamber inside. These are relieving chambers, stacked granite slabs above the burial chamber, redistributing millions of tons of weight above. There he is again. He's been carving this amulet in every spare moment. Says it's for his future son. 3 years in now. From this same doorway for K's, look how far it's come. This climb keeps getting longer, but look at this view, Hess. The Nile, the older pyramids, the whole plateau. All their cutting tools are copper. They have to sharpen them constantly, and he says copper is soft. They go through hundreds of chisels. Year 3, we're past halfway now, is roughly 265 feet up out of 481. This is the active top today. From up here, Steph, the whole world is visible. The Nile, the older pyramids, the desert to the horizon. They track the sun and the stars to keep this aligned to true north, off by only a fraction of a degree. No compass, just astronomy. Look down there, the lower sections are being cased in white limestone now. That's what it'll look like finished. 3 years in. Everyone who started with me on day 1 is still here, still building. This whole project runs on rope. Thousands of feet of papyrus rope, made right here, every day. The workers' cemetery. Proper burials. Some skeletons here show healed broken bones. They had doctors. End of shift. Tired. Proud. Every century, every country, this is what a crew looks like. 4 years in now. Watch how it keeps climbing. We're at about 340 feet out of 481. The climb is longer every time. Fewer workers up here now, the structure's getting narrower. Less space at each level. Hopper saws, but the sand does the actual cutting. Slow. One block could take days to cut precisely. Look at the lower sections now, Rahet. That white limestone is blinding in the sunlight. This is what the whole thing will look like when finished. And he checks the slope angle on every single course, and it's at 51.8 degrees, 4 sides, all the way to the top. "10 years. We're at about 410 feet now, almost there. Look at this. From here you can see the top workers, tiny figures at over 400 feet. No ropes, no harnesses, the longest climb yet. But from up here, the whole Nile Valley, the Delta, everything. Year 10, almost at the top. The working surface up here is barely wider than a doorway. A handful of men, not hundreds. 10 years later, he's a father now. And his son grew up watching this pyramid being built. The final polish grade, harder stones, wet sand. When finished, this entire surface will be glass smooth. 20 years. That's the last stone, going in right now. After everything. It's finished. The Great Pyramid, 481 feet tall. Still. $2.3 million blocks, 20 years. And I watched every single one. The dedication ceremony, 20 years of work, Thai, about to be formally honored. I asked him how it feels. He looked up for a long time, then said,
It feels finished. That is enough.
For the next 3,800 years to Payed, this will be the tallest thing human beings ever build. I'm standing at its base right now. They're sealing the entrance now, designed to be invisible from outside. Perfectly hidden in the smooth face. This is where I first touched it. 2 layers of stone. Now as 481 feet of pyramid above my hand. It needs 20,000 ordinary people, 20 years. One idea. Not slaves, not aliens. The bread ovens have gone cold. The ropes have been coiled away. 20 years of sound, and now, just this. 4,500 years later, same spot, same pyramid. The white is gone, but the stone never moved. Same stone I touched when it was new. Now 4,500 years old. Still here.
The workers' village I walked through today, excavated starting in 1990. The bakery foundations, still here. This is the King's Chamber, the same room I watched being built. Still here, still granite.
20,000 people, 20 years, still standing. 4,500 years later, ordinary people built forever. "20,000 people, 20 years, one impossible idea. Thank you for coming with me.